Hi everybody! Welcome to a new Gabby's Dollhouse craft video. Today I will show you how to make your own baby box. Isn't she adorable? If you want to see how I made her, keep watching my video. You'll need a 3-ounce cup, light blue paint, a paintbrush, a little clip, gems in blue, purple, green, and yellow, 2 little purple pom-poms, this template for baby box head, paper walls, scissors, a purple pipe cleaner, a purple marker, and hot glue. Start by painting the cup in white blue. Use the clip to keep your hands clean. You have to paint the cup first so it has time to dry. Next, cut out the template. You'll find the link to download the template in the description box below. Fold following the borders and the black lines. Glue and assemble the head. Cut 4 pieces of pipe cleaner for the whiskers and attach them to the head with hot glue. Cut the paper wall to make 2 arms. Use a marker to draw the paws. Cut more paper walls for the legs. Glue the pom-pom to the legs and attach them to the cup. Glue the gems all on her dress. And attach the head to the cup. And we're done. She's so cute. I hope you enjoy my video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.